Hey guys, welcome back to another RobotKingz video. So today I am upgrading my laptop's RAM. So I have this kit over here. So for reference, this is Lenovo IdeaPad S540-15IML D. So it's a 15.6-inch laptop. So this uses Torx T4 screwdriver bits. Now have a look at that. So let's start by removing the back panel. This screw over here is not color coded and is different from the other screws. I don't know why. Now we will use pry tools to get under the back panel and remove it. So you'll get some pry tools real quick. I'll be using this plastic one. I don't really have a metal one right now. I'll buy it later. Just pry under the back panel a bit. Now I think we should push. Yeah, there. Almost. Yeah, there we go. This is your back panel. Keeping this aside for now. This is my laptop, so I'll be telling you what all parts are. This is the battery, hard drive, SSD, which comes pre-installed with a conductive material. Then this over here is a RAM shield. So you have to get under this with your fingers using your nail. So while upgrading, you have to make sure that you disconnect the battery. For my laptop, the battery cable is over here, so you have to disconnect this. And I'll recommend to disconnect the CMOS BIOS battery as well, which is over here. This one. These are the speakers, fan for CPU, fan for GPU. This is the GPU with the dedicated memory. This is the CPU. This is our Wi-Fi card, I/O. This is integrated with the motherboard, but this I/O is connected to the motherboard with this cable over here. This is for the keyboard, fingerprint sensor, backlight, touchpad. That's pretty much it. So now all we have to do is remove this protective cover. Okay, so I have it removed. It's not really that hard, but it's just you have to pry under it with your fingernail or some pry tools. Okay, so this is our 4GB RAM. It comes from a company called RamXL. Okay, so this is our 4GB RAM. 4GB RAM is soldered onto the motherboard on the other side. So let's remove this carefully. Oh, well, okay. This is my replacement RAM, 16GB DDR for Crucial. It's 3200 MHz. There it is. Now let's carefully place this in. Alright, so I've fit this thing in. Now we will reconnect the CMOS BIOS battery first, which is over here. There it is. And now the main battery. Okay. That should be it. And this is a second SSD slot over here. It's a 2242 type, which is 22mm wide and 42mm long. I will be uploading a video about installing a new SSD. It has not arrived yet. Now I will reinstall my back panel. Here it is. And we will boot the system up to check if it registers. Let me be right back. Alright, we have completed installing the backplate. Don't forget to get that crunch. There we go. Now I will boot the system up and let you know. Give me a sec. now I am on my computer. Let's check task manager. So Control Shift Escape. Yes, fingers crossed. And yes, it worked. Yep, there we go. So I'm glad to know that this worked, and I will be posting the SSD upgrade video later on when my SSD arrives. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Subscribe. See ya.